In this video, we will show you how to assemble and operate your Greenworks 2100 portable pressure washer. We have featured model 5128602. However, this guide can be followed for all units fitting this description. Your pressure washer may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. This pressure washer requires a Phillips head screwdriver for a portion of the assembly. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Installing the spray gun holder. The holder comes in two parts. Line up the screw holes and secure both parts using the screws provided and a Phillips head screwdriver. Step 3. Installing the high-pressure hose. First, remove the dust cover. Uncoil the high-pressure hose. Then, attach one end to the water outlet and tighten it by hand. Now, connect the other end of the hose to the base of the spray gun. Ensure both connections are secure. Step 4. Installing the spray wand. Attach the spray wand to the spray gun and tighten by hand. Step 5. Connecting the water supply. Before connecting the water supply, make sure there are no blockages or sharp bends in the line. The water must come from a clean, cold main supply, never from ponds, lakes, or hot water sources. The minimum PSI for well water is 45. Spray nozzles. Your pressure washer comes with different spray tips for different jobs. The 25-degree green tip, great for general cleaning with strong pressure, without damaging most surfaces. The 40-degree white tip produces a wide, gentle spray, perfect for wood decks or other delicate surfaces. The turbo nozzle spins in a tight pattern to blast away stubborn dirt and grime. To install a spray tip, pull back the quick connect collar on the wand. Insert the tip, then release the collar. Starting and stopping the unit. Before you start, make sure all connections are tight and leak-free. Turn on the water supply. Plug the machine into a suitable outlet. Set the power switch to on. Push the trigger safety lock up, then pull the trigger to begin cleaning. When you're done, release the trigger. Push the trigger safety lock down until it clicks. This ensures the trigger cannot be pulled to accidentally start the unit back up. Press the power button to turn off the machine. Turn off the water supply. Unplug the power cord and squeeze the trigger one last time to release any built-up pressure. Using the telescopic handle. This model comes with an extendable handle and functions just like a suitcase. Simply press the handle button and pull the handle up until it's fully extended. Using the high-pressure soap applicator. This unit comes with a high-pressure soap applicator for applying detergent to clean surfaces more effectively. To add detergent, twist the applicator head counterclockwise. Fill the container and reattach the head securely. To install the soap applicator, pull back the quick connect collar, push the applicator in, and release the collar. You can adjust detergent flow using the knob. Clockwise for more soap. counterclockwise for less. Never adjust while spraying. Stop and lock the trigger first. Storage. Before any storage, turn off the unit. Wait for moving parts to stop and unplug from power. Use a pump protector before off-season storage to prevent mineral buildup and prolong pump life. Follow the instructions on your pump protector product. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.